So how do you get the default apps back on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about the various possibilities. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, you probably noticed that you can hold down on the individual icons and you have the ability to delete even some of the Apple sort of like built-in apps, right? So for example, if you delete something like the alarms app, right, from the Apple Watch, you delete it, and then you can get it back by looking it up inside of the App Store, right? So all of the apps can be re-downloaded from the App Store. Like you can just go to the search, type the name of the apps in here, go to the search, and you will likely find it. But it is possible that you'll see so many like third-party applications and not really the one that you're looking for. So perhaps you don't even see the Apple alarms that we just deleted. And the best way, in my opinion, to get it back is to simply grab the iPhone and go to the App Store in there, right? So you can just go there and look up like the Apple as a developer. So you can, for example, type in something like the clock app, right? You go to the clock, you can see this is from Apple as the developer. So it's going to scroll down a bit more and click on the like Apple section within the App Store. And there are like some of the apps, whatever, but you're going to get to the Apple Watch section. So click on it to expand it and you'll be able to see all of the different applications. So you'll be able to find like the world clock and all of the different things. And it's very likely that you'll be able to just get the application back to the Apple Watch by clicking on the share. You're going to click on the message and literally send yourself the link to that application, to the Apple one. And this will basically mean that you will have the ability to just go to your Apple Watch, open up your messages, and download the application which you deleted, right? By clicking on the link, and you'll be able to get it inside of the App Store. So I hope it all makes sense. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to actually make it work on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one. So stay tuned, and I'll see you then.